Good morning. Today we are going to learn rounding off. Rounding off is also known as taking estimation or approximate value. So why we are taking rounding off? Because we want to take a estimation or an approximate value. So please do like, share, comment and give feedback to my video, and please do comment what do you want next. So why do we need estimation or round off? What we need, why do we need estimation? Sometimes we need only estimated figure, not the exact figure to plan something. For example, if we are organizing a function at home, we need only approximate figure, not the exact figure, so that we can plan for lunch, as some of the guests might not come to the party due to some or other reason. So we need only estimation. Now, how rounding off is done? Rounding off or estimation is done according to the places on and the digits. For example, nearest tens, we know nearest hundred, we do nearest thousands, and so on. Now, coming to rounding off to nearest tens. So we have a number, suppose 1340, and we want to round off to nearest tens. So that means we need to find out the number is close to 1340 or 1350 on the number line. So we follow certain rules for that. We can see that 1342 has 4 at the tens place. That means whenever we are rounding off, we want after 10 place it should come 0. So what the rule we follow is, if the number after, if you are rounding off to nearest 10, if the number is at the tens place is after tens place is 5 or more than 5, we add one digit, or 1 to the tens place. So we have a number 1342 which has 4 at the tens place, and after tens place we have 2. So 2 is less than 5. So we are rounding off to nearest 10 will be, answer will be 1340. Now let's get another example to it. If we take another example like 1456, and we wish to round off to nearest tens. So what we wish to do while rounding off, we need after tens place it should be 0. And what is the rule? We take it as tens place, and after tens place if the number is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the tens place. So while seeing this number 1456, we see that after tens place it is 6, which is 5 or more than 5. So we round it off 1456 to 1060. Now we'll learn about the rounding off to nearest hundreds. Suppose we have a number 15,436 and we wish to round it off to nearest hundreds. So we want after 100 place there should be 0. We need to find out that 15,436 comes near 15,400 or 15,500 on the number line. So what the rule is, after 100 place digit is 4. After 100 place the digit is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So we will not change the digit at the 100 place. So we answer of our question well rounding off to nearest 100 will be 15,400. And suppose in this we take another example. If we had 15,456 suppose, so then we have to round off the to nearest 100 will be 15,500, because after 15,000 after 4 there will be 5, so we'll round off to next digit. The 100 place will be changed by 1. So in this case the rounding off to nearest 100 will be 15,400. Now same rules we follow as rounding off to nearest thousands. We have a number which is 2533 and we wish to find out the nearest thousands. So we want 2533 to come near 2000 on 3000 on number line. Our basic criteria is that. By this rule we find that 2 is which is at 1000 place. After 2 the digit is 5, which is 5 equal to 5 or more than 5. So what we do is we add a digit or we add a number to the 1000 place. So rounding off to 2533 to nearest 1000 will be 3000. So now we have some practice questions for it. So round off to nearest tens. 1342. We have to round off to nearest 10. 1342 has 4 digit at the tens place, which is, and after 4 it is 2. So we will round it off as nearest 10. The answer will be 1340. The B part is 2555. Now at the tens place the digit is 5 and after 5 the digit is also 5. So what we do is we'll add a digit at the tens place because it is more than equal or more than 5. So rounding off to nearest tens for 2555 is 2560. So what if in the C part, what if we have 5000? So here is no tens place number in this. So rounding off to nearest tens is 5000 in that case. So now we have a number. Some of the students get confused in this type of rounding off. We have 4999. So the number at the tens place is 9 and after that it is also 9. So what we have to do, we have to add 1 to 9. So after adding 1 to 9 in the tens place of the digit, we get the rounding off place to 5000. So answer to this is 5000. Now the practice for rounding off to nearest 100. The first option is we have 4000. 4000 here hundreds place, no number in the hundreds place. So rounding off to 4000 will be 4000 only. Now B part 4537. So numbers at the 100 place is 5 and after 5 we have 3 in it. So it is less than 5. So the rounding off to 4537 is 4500. Now C part 5995. The number at the hundreds place is 9 and after 9 is also 9. So what we have to do, we have to add 1 to the rest part, that is 59 will become 60 and other digits will become 0. So our rounding off to nearest 100 to 5995 is 6000. D part 8010. The digit at the 100 place is 0 and after it is 1. So rounding off to the nearest 100 will become 8000. Now rounding off to nearest thousands. The first part is 4564. So we have 4 at the 1000 place and 5 at next to the 1000 place. So 5 is equal or more than 5. So we have to add one digit to 4. So rounding off to nearest 1000 of 4564 becomes 5000. Now we have 8888. So the number at the 1000 digit at the 1000 place is 8 and after 8 it is 8. So it is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the thousand place. So it was 8. So we add one digit. So it will become 9. So now nearest thousands of 8,888 is 9,000. Now C part, nearest thousands is already is 7,000. So we'll write the answer as 7,000 only. Now D part, 6,500. 6,500 has 6 at the thousand place, and after thousand place the number is 5. So 5 is equal or more than 5. So we have to add 1 in the thousand place. So nearest thousands at for 6,500 will become 7,000. Now you can find out the solutions to it as I have already mentioned. I really thank you for watching. Please share some comments and feedback. This presentation was brought to you by Pooja and Rudraksh. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.